Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. That was super sweet of you. It's another hair video! We're doing a hair video today. I've been obsessed with watching hair tutorials on TikTok lately. They're so quick, they're so easy, they make it look so fun, and I thought why not try out some of these hair tutorials on my own mop. So I have picked out a few hair tutorial TikToks that I am going to try and follow. I'm a little concerned that they're not gonna work on my hair because my hair is like clearly thinner than everybody's hair that they used in the tutorials. I feel like they always show people with really long, thick, beautiful, perfect, flawless hair in these hair tutorials. So I wanted to test it on somebody who has thin, curly, frizzy hair. I'm currently on day question mark of my hair being washed. I don't remember the last time I washed my hair. I think we're on day 4, maybe day 5. Don't judge me. You're not supposed to wash your hair that often, okay? It dries it out. I have dry hair, so it's fine. But if that sounds like something that's interesting to you and you like TikTok and you like hair tutorials, then please keep on watching because it's coming at you right now. All right, so we're gonna start with the tutorial that looks the simplest. I say looks the simplest because I don't know if this is gonna be simple, but we're just gonna go for it. So this first one is from 5 Minute Crafts. I'm sure you've heard of them before. They've been on YouTube forever. They have something crazy like 50 million subscribers, but they always do these little videos and they make everything look so easy, and then you do it yourself and it's not so easy. So we'll see, but I thought this one was really cool because it uses your hair as a hair elastic. Like they don't use a hair elastic at all, which is great for me because I don't like wearing hair elastics. I usually just wear a scrunchie if I have to wear anything. So I thought this was really cool and they made it look so simple. So let's give it a go. I'm gonna put my phone right here. This is really wild. Her hair is clearly longer than mine and not as curly. So already off to a hot start. Okay, so we're putting it in a ponytail and then she pulls out one strand, so casually too, like it's nothing. So she pulls it out, but she doesn't take it all the way out. But then you use it to pull your hair through. Okay, I got it. Now I'm using it again. I'm going around again. How many times do you go around? She only go around twice. Oh, she does one more time. See, I'm out of hair at that point. I can only do twice. And like, that's clearly not gonna stay. Okay, so what you do is you take your hair back like this and you start to pull a strand out. Not a huge strand, just like a little chunk here, but don't pull it out all the way. Just pull it up, but I'm still holding on to the end of it in my ponytail. And then what I do is I twist it in my hand like this. You're basically gonna use that like it's your elastic. And then so you'll wrap it around again, and then wrap it around one more time, and then supposedly, this is your ponytail. Okay, so I did get it to work one time, but it's not in there in a stable way whatsoever, and you could see that my ponytail is like falling immediately. Yeah, I don't think this style works for thin hair at all. I think you have to have a thick head of hair and use a thick strand, and ow, my hair's in a knot. I don't like that. I don't think using your hair as an actual ponytail is a good idea. I think something that you can do that I've seen people do before that looks better is you use a hair elastic and then use a piece of your ponytail to cover the hair elastic. I think that's much better. Here, look, we'll do that. So I'm gonna leave this piece out, put my hair in a ponytail, then I will take this piece of hair and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail holder, the elastic if you will, and then just take a bobby pin and do it that way. But I think that's a much better way to do it than to use your hair as the actual ponytail holder. I think maybe in a pinch, you could do that. If you have thick hair and you have to put your hair up in a pinch, you don't have an elastic, maybe you could try that, but I don't think it's worth the knot in your hair that you're gonna have to get out after it's done. And if you don't have crazy thick hair or crazy long hair, it's hard to have enough hair to use as a strand and wrap around multiple times. I found that I could get it wrapped around the first time, but then when I got to like the third time wrapping it around, I just got to this end of the strand because my hair is not long enough. So I definitely wouldn't say that's a very user-friendly hair tutorial, and I wouldn't recommend it. All right, I am more hopeful for this tutorial because this one, I feel like the little girl who she does the hair on, her hair looks a little thinner than the previous girl. She still has long hair, but her hair definitely looks thinner, so I'm a little more hopeful. And this one doesn't require any hair elastics either, which is great. It's just bobby pins. And I think the little like space buns look is so cute, and I like that she did it like not the full amount of hair, it's just like a couple of pieces. I think it's so fun. Let's see how she does this. Okay, so she takes a strand from the front like this, and then she kind of twists it. The part after the twisting is where I get kind of lost because she kind of just like moves her hand in a way that you can't really see it. Makes it like a knot, maybe goes around it. Oh no, look how tiny mine are. Oh no, maybe I need more hair. Okay, let's try getting a little more hair. And then a very confusing kind of wraparound thing. Wrapping it around my little twist buns. But it's just gonna look like a circle. Oh no. Okay, so I think I just don't have enough hair to make those little buns look cute on top of my head. So instead, what I'm gonna do is try to use my whole hair to do space buns. Let's just go for it. We're making it up on the spot. We're making it work for us. So, sectioning my hair into 2 pieces here. Right, now we're gonna bring it up a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit of that twist action that she did. Then I'm gonna try to make a little bun here and then pin. One advantage of having thin hair that thick-haired people will never be able to appreciate is that I can make my whole hair stand up with like 2 bobby pins because there's not a lot to hold. So things are really turning around for me over here, and you love to see it. I take my hair, I kind of sort of twist it like how she did with the buns, but then I don't want to twist it too much because I need some of that volume. And if you twist it too much, I feel like I was completely losing the volume there. Put your finger in the middle and kind of wrap it around your finger to give you a base to hold here. And then just take a bobby pin and shove all those extra pieces underneath. How do I look? Ooh, let's pull some curls out. Nice, we're loving it. It's getting cuter by the second. I think this base bun style is really cute. I wanted to make it work with just the front pieces, but I think for thin hair, the more hair you have in your buns, the better. So when I was just using those little pieces, it wasn't really working for me because I didn't have enough hair to put in there. Okay, so I have one more style to try, and I'm definitely more hopeful for this one because it uses all the hair. It's a fancy, sleek, low bun. I think it's gonna be good. I'm very hopeful, and let's give it a go. Okay, so this tutorial does require a hair elastic, but it's only one, and she calls it easy. None of these tutorials have claimed to be easy up until now. So we're bringing our hair into a low ponytail here, and we're gonna wrap that elastic around a couple of times, but not too tight, because eventually we are going to just pull out the bun part. So she kind of does it like this. Take the rest of the hair, twist it up and around. Oh, and she tucks it right into the band. Oh, okay, that worked. My hair is currently in a bun. Does my bun look as voluminous as hers? No, but it did work, and I am going to celebrate that because those first 2 tutorials did not work, and this one at least has worked, even if it doesn't look the same. Okay, let me give it another try. Maybe I can make it more voluminous. Let me show you the back of my bun. This is what it looks like on my first try. Honestly, that doesn't look that bad. That looks more voluminous than my usual bun, so I'm not like furious by this by any means. But let me give it another try. Ooh, what if I try it with my scrunchie? You know what's nice about scrunchies? I feel like scrunchies add volume to your hair. Pulling the hair back, we twist it around once. The second one, we pull the bun through, like so. I'll pull it through less this time, give myself more hair to work with. Twist it, wrap it around, tuck it back in. And then she kind of like twists it. I'm like, what are you doing with the twist? Oh, I feel it because I'm pulling the bun out. Ooh, okay. From the side, that looks more voluminous. I gotta pull my tresses out in the front, give it a little bit more personal style. Ooh, I feel like I'm giving you like ballet bun right now. For as thin as my hair is, I think this did make my bun look a little more voluminous. Honestly, that's a really cute bun. I kind of do like that she tucks the hairs in underneath. It makes it look less messy. It's definitely a more sleek, messy bun that I am normally used to. I'm normally used to a very messy bun. I like this style. This style is fun. I'm a big fan. All right, so let me end this video by showing you a style that I like to put my hair in and that I think makes my thin curly hair look pretty and is really super easy to do. So I'm only using 2 bobby pins. I have these super cute 3D printed bobby pins that I bought at a fair, and they glow in the dark and they're stars and moons and so cute. But if you only have regular bobby pins, that works too. So what I do is you start by taking out your tresses. You gotta leave these beautiful curls in the front. They frame the face. And then I'm gonna take a small section of hair, take my bobby pin, Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. You don't need to, I don't really twist. I do like a single twist just to give it like a bit of thickness to get that bobby pin into, because my hair is thin, so I try to like create a thick spot to put the bobby pin into. And yeah, that's like my little half back style. I think it's very like early 2000s looking. You can also do, if you wanna skip, sometimes I'll skip these little tresses in the front. Looks kind of cool when you just like flatten that hair in the front and then you have the cute little bobby pins peeking out. I think bobby pins are a great hair accessory. You can also do this with barrettes if you have that. I know hair barrettes are super in right now. You can have a lot of fun with accessories. That's something I've learned working with thin hair, is that sometimes these hair tutorials don't always cater to us and they rely on you having really long, thick hair, and it can make you feel bad when you're trying to recreate them yourself and your hair doesn't look as good. But I have so much fun putting accessories in my hair and just playing with it down, you know, because your hair looks good down too. I'm gonna keep on pursuing more hair tutorials that work on thin hair, and I promise I'll share them with you when I find them. If you have any videos you'd like to recommend for me to watch, please leave them in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching to the end. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'd love to have you join me. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.